Hello and welcome to Be Informed. In this video, we shall talk about best stocks to buy in Qatar. If you are looking to invest in stocks in Qatar from anywhere around the world, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Before starting the video, there is a disclaimer. This video is for information purpose only. Kindly consult a financial advisor before investing. Any advice contained in this video is general advice only and has been prepared without considering your objectives or financial situation. So before making any investment decision, please seek appropriate financial advice. Now let's start the video. Qatar economy is the fastest growing economies in the world. Anyone who is a Qatari or a non-Qatari, resident or a non-resident of Qatar can buy or sell stocks and shares listed on Qatar Stock Exchange. You can check I button for more videos on this topic. Now the question comes, why invest in stocks? Stocks represent ownership in a company. This ownership gives specific rights. One of the rights is the ability to share in the profits of the company, which means you receive cash dividend. So, one of the main objectives of investing in stocks is cash dividend. Well, there are many other benefits also. We shall discuss them in some other video. So now, why invest in stocks in Qatar? Qatar has political and economical stability and it has high quality infrastructure and one of the lowest corporate tax rates in the world, which is 10%. Also, dividend incomes are not taxable in Qatar in most cases. When picking dividend paying stocks, dividend yield is a major factor to consider. So I will shortly explain you what is dividend yield. Dividend yield is a financial ratio that shows how much a company pays out in dividends each year relative to its stock price. So before talking about the best dividend stocks in Qatar, I have categorized them into 5 different industries: financial industry, telecommunication industry, consumer service industry, utility industry, oil and gas industry. So if you have some specific preference towards industry, so you can check stocks in that specific industry. First, let's talk about the financial industry. In this industry, Barwa Real Estate, which is a real estate investment trust business, has a dividend yield of 5%. Barwa Real Estate Company paid a total dividend of 700 million Qatari Riyal last year and their dividend per share is 0.18 Qatari Riyal and its stock market price is 3.50 Qatari Riyals. Next is Qatar Insurance Company. Their dividend yield is 4.15%. It is a non-life insurance business which is a part of financial industry. They paid a total dividend of 327 million Qatari Riyals last year. Dividend per share of Qatar Insurance is 0.1 Qatari Riyal and its stock market price is 2.41 Qatari Riyal. Then comes Masraf Al Rayan. Their dividend yield is 3.29%. Masraf Al Rayan is also a part of bank's business. They paid a total dividend of 1,581 million Qatari Riyals last year. Dividend per share of Masraf Al Rayan is 0.17 Qatari Riyal and his stock market price is 5.17 Qatari Riyal. Next is United Development Company. Its dividend yield is 3.74% and it's a part of real estate investment trust business. They paid a total dividend of 177 million Qatari Riyals last year. Dividend per share of United Development Company is 0.05 Qatari Riyal and stock market price is 1.47 Qatari Riyals. Now let's talk about telecommunication industry. So here we have Ooredoo. Their dividend yield is 4.22%. Ooredoo is a part of mobile telecommunication business. They paid a total dividend of 961 million Qatari Riyal last year. Dividend per share of Ooredoo is 0.3 Qatari Riyal and its stock market price is 7.11 Qatari Riyal. The next option is Vodafone with a dividend yield of 3.76%. Vodafone Qatar is part of mobile telecommunication business. Vodafone Qatar paid a total dividend of 254 million Qatari Riyal last year. Dividend per share of Vodafone Qatar is 0.06 Qatari Riyal and its stock market price is 1.6 Qatari Riyal. Okay, now we have oil and gas industry. Now, in the oil and gas industry, Mesaieed Petrochemic is part of oil and gas producers business, and their dividend yield is 3.78%. They paid a total dividend of 1,382 million Qatari riyals last year. Dividend per share of Mesaieed Petrochemic is 0.11 Qatari riyal, and his stock market price is 2.91 Qatari riyal. In consumer service industry, Qatar Fuel Waqood is the provider in Qatar. Qatar Fuel Waqood is part of general retailers business, and Qatar Fuel has a dividend yield of 4.25%, and they paid a total dividend of 755 million Qatari riyal last year. Dividend per share of Qatar Fuel Waqood is 0.76 Qatari riyal, and its stock market price is 17.88 Qatari riyal. So in the utilities industry, Qatar Electricity and Water Company is part of gas, water and multi-utilities business. Qatar Electricity and Water Company paid a total dividend of 880 million Qatari riyals last year. Dividend per share of Qatar Electricity and Water Company is 0.8 Qatari riyal, and its stock market price is 18.30 Qatari riyals. So these are some of the companies which pay highest dividend in Qatar. If you are looking to invest in stock market in Qatar, so these are the stocks you can research on your own, or you can seek advice from any financial analyst. I hope this video was informative. I highly recommend you to do your own research before investing. Please like this video and share it with those who are interested in investment and stocks. I have more videos for you to watch on this topic. See you in next video. Take care.